program Kabalala amazina nbayita Star Investing Kavurijo turi on the all white party akafeya ningashi omwanya kuryari bajuye Club Vegas izobeli hati obwiro bahindu gambira abantu bona bajure white abana bajure emyenda yabo ya white baji home wardrobe babonera nibasabya ngo yo mwiguru nibasabya ngo ba malaika. It is so nice. Program ni Sabalala edition ilianza kwa kutuletera fashion, kutuletera myenda ya white ya murembe, kutuletera abasabalazi okuba kusabalala bakakujwara omwenda bakajiha yoyona, kutuletera myenda ya murembe. Omukoro ogu kuchiwaho omusigazo bakweta Fauzi nomwe ahaba designers abamani munonga abutwine omu Uganda. Otakarga TV West Star Best ninyenkwine ninza kwereka buri kimwe cyona ecyabire aha all white party. Otakarga TV West.
I'm gonna wait for a while. Pray for me, child. Will you wait for me now? I know sometimes confusion give way to the doubt, and sometimes I fall short of what I say I'm about. But at my best, I am love, and nothing comes easy. But in God we trust, and she ride for me, and I ride for us. She knew it'd be this way. She said, "Sign me up," and she lock it down when they lock me up. I knock it down. She said, "Knock me up," and when time goes.
He is no gambage.
Ndiaho.
Kawabuzire.
Ndiyo.
Webale kwisho white party?
Yep.
Banzo tushobora njwara ya weri zoba?
Nzwire anklet hat.
Anklet konka nchimanisa chikacha hanga munonga?
Anklet ni one of the fashionista abamwa bariaha.
Okay.
Then nzwire t-shirt chonkani bajeta loose.
Alright.
Loose ejo netambrana katawe rack.
Mwana nyenda kubuza ntko inetoro ryono zo mchinabiro.
Loose toka basagizwaro tatire ho katawe rack.
Habwachi nichimanisa ngunoza kututuka.
No basa kare nano kututuka nacho chonka nikanuraho wabo katireho ukoko kureboti. Then nzwire denim jean, ripped denim jean. Then nzwire ngitonjijo ni Air Force.
What?
Air Force.
Na we ni designer. Sara undaza kurujira ibintu bya design za kuba nabicengire. So onjwara yawe jiyona mpaka hansi wa echakuletera kujwara otini cherizoba.
Nazwaranti abo kuba ni nkomweshongozi ni nkoragana na Yeyo Fashion Store. Yeyo Fashions boba kunzweka.
Okay. So no bakujweka no bakujya kujwara oti.
Yep.
We bare munonga miki isni reka tukureko gendoze kuri ya sente zawe.
Kare bambe.
Echari zoba cho charenga mwenu nyengambe chindekechi mama otio banzo tuereke enkitone hejo Chantal kandi weno.
Chantal is from UK but has some shoes in aine enkeitomo Uganda.
Okay. Gumiza mutu shoborere okojwire
ni Debbie Collections. Debbie Kajisha is the one who designed me.
No munya Uganda?
No munya Uganda.
Munyambara?
Hapana.
Abanyambara lizoba. So earrings awechera kwashora earrings ngufu nichi?
Echareta najwara earrings ngufu because nabanyine less nyinji munonga nanta kubasagariza ho zire ningwa zanza kuretere kintu cyaba white munonga cyarenje se.
Ogo mwisho wunyine no bokumureba no kwabonire no kwari kurebeka je ogwa bari Miss Ankole Tourism omwaka gwe 2014 right?
2015.
Jackie yayanjure jabantu bawe.
Hello, ninye arinda Jacqueline Miss Tourism Ankole kandi nanye mbere ndi akachiko akatebekaniso mukorogo ogwa Fauzi Fashion King.
Alright, so imwe nimwe expecting achi omukorogo nkawa mwe abantu abakutebekanisa.
Itwentu teka ngogo mukoro nugwisha kuletera abantu bambara nabantu abandi bakunda fashion kandi bakajikunda abantu abinje nibajambara tukujwara ko kandi
turi y'abanyacharo
ko mujomo ni watina.
Of course najiro bwoba.
Ekintu kyakwatayo kandi ntumanyangu na community nja wareba abantu ahera baba batiroho jiwe ebintu bingi munonga ntwenda fashion nimwe aba TV na nabatari ba TV mwana mukore kintu cyanyu niyo bakurebe baje ngo myambara fashion site yaza kwijesha nje nito twakozire ki twajira muti
site yaza kwisha neza kushanga twasabarire twaruhire.
She take time adjust and push come to shove she break down and puff I can't say enough can't make this up blood sweat and tears and love faith and luck sometimes we afraid sometimes we are wrong but without being scared we don't get to be strong love hard love long if I got locked away and we lost it all today tell
skiddly down, 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 down. All I want is somebody real who don't need much. A gal I know that I can trust. To be here when money low. If I did not have nothing else to give but love, would that even be enough? Y'all me need to know. Now tell me, would you really ride for me? Baby, tell me, would you die for me? Would you spend your whole life with me? Would you be there to always hold me down? Tell me, would you really cry for me? Baby, don't lie to me. If I didn't have anything, I wanna know, would you stick around?
If I got locked away and we lost it all today, tell me. Do you remember from high school, baby, where it's like we were walking so bad? Do you remember when we got together? Do you remember calling us in this time? Do you remember asking wonder? Did you see, oh, what you see? Oh, what you see? Really promise you see, yeah. You see, oh, really promise you see, yeah.